very chaotic.
Make a promise to me. You're not gonna kiss any frogs today, right?
We are in the middle of a thunderstorm. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are over at Magic Kingdom and we are headed on over to Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique. Now, just at Epcot, so we're running a little bit behind, so I am moving my booty over for our appointment because we have a 4:45. We literally have to be there in probably 30 seconds.
Hi.
How old are you today?
4.
4. What are we gonna do? All right, let's go. Alright, so this is new. We have a tablet. We don't have the little pamphlets anymore, so now we have a tablet. So now we're going to scroll up. Alright, so we have the castle package starting at $1.99. It comes with a princess dress, carriage necklace, a wand, and a crown of your choice. The deluxe one comes with the same dress, a carriage necklace, and an accessory set. And then if you have a little boy, we have the deluxe night package. Comes with hair gel, confetti, a costume, and a sword and a shield.
This
Some more game. Okay, do you want this Aurora or that Aurora?
Yes. What size are we looking for today?
I'm thinking either 4 or 5, 6.
Okay, can I measure you so that we find the right dress for you? Is that okay? Want to make sure it's long enough, right? Can you hold that up to you? Can you hold it towards you? And for you, let's see if we got pixie dust. We do. There we go. Now, I'm going to leave our hair choices with the royal family, okay? There's going to be 4 of them. 2 on the front, 2 on the back, okay? You've been practicing. Very good. Just a moment. Now, Princess Lucia, can you show me your favorite hairstyle? Where is it? Oh, yes, you're like a professional. It's right there. 2, 3.
Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo!
Oh, hello, my dear. Oh, you're growing as fast as a pumpkin.
What's that? Apple? What?
Lucy, are you looking forward to doing your makeup?
After my makeup, I'm gonna go.
There's all kinds of rides. We're gonna go also to the new pirate restaurant.
Hi! Oh, I like the dress you've chosen. My name is Lattice, and I'm going to be your fairy godmother's apprentice today. Are you ready to head on over to the castle? Yes, did you bring any grown-ups with you? Let's see. Yeah? Is this going to be your royal throne?
Oh my goodness!
Do you want to hop up? Your mom? Huh. Oh, you got it. Or are we going to do a big princess bun? Princess bun, that's what I thought. Right, you're going to hold that right here as our magic mirror. And I'm going to spray some wishing well water in your hair. It's from Snow White's wishing well. And that means that you get to make a big, big wish. Are you making a big wish? Maybe you're wishing for cupcakes for dinner, or your own castle, or a pet unicorn. Been there a little bit.
We live on the western side, Montville. It's by Pennsylvania almost.
Gotcha! In princess school?
Yes.
You are? What are you
We're
learning in princess school?
right? Are we in princess school?
No, you're not. Are you in school? Oh, because being a princess just came so naturally, right? You didn't need to go to school for it. How old are you, Princess Lucia? 400 years old. Your dress again, okay? see your feet. I like the cool gems you have on your shoes. Perfect. Perfect. This is really cool. They keep these from Pixie Dust. So Tinkerbell flies in here every single morning, and she fills up our bottles full of Pixie Dust. Yep. Put it right here. And we're gonna keep it still, okay? Do you think we should start with ours?
Little brother.
Alright, you ready?
Let's make your hair smell like coconuts. Amazing.
What's those ice cream for me? We're gonna do all that pretty pink to match your dress. Oh my goodness. You're not gonna kiss any frogs today, right? No kissing any frogs. Do you remember what happened to Princess Tiana when she kissed a frog? She turned into a frog. Wow, positively pink. Alright, princess. Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo, may all my princesses' wishes and dreams forever and always come true. Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo. Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo. Attention royal families coming from her enchanted cottage in the glen. We have Princess Aurora. Beautiful. Do you think you could do some magic with me? Can you give me a big bibbidi bobbidi boo?
Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo.
What is it? Oh my goodness, it's a pretty pink carrot necklace just for you.
Alright guys, sorry it's getting a little crazy here, but I just wanted to show you the end price here was $212.95.
Starting y'all off. So just so salty from the sea, but not angry. But as you know, we are limited to a 45-minute dining experience, during which time each buyer can have up to 2 libations all inside. No taking them out, no sneaking them out, no drinks to go. Is she comfortable on a bar stool?
Yeah, we should probably be okay if you need to get us in there. We'll figure it out.
Okay, all right.
Okay, let's go. We are here at the Beak Barrel. This is our first time here. I'm very excited about this. So, 45-minute timer. I'm waiting for the people to come around and take our order, so I hope they chop. You see us here. We just came in the middle of a thunderstorm. Definitely, I love the theme in here. The mermaids.
Keep your heads, everyone. As you were. Drink up, me hearties. Not a problem at all. Well, I'll do my best. Crew, sort that out, will you?
Oh, you went away again. Alright, we have very low light in here, so I'm operating on my phone, so sorry in advance. I got the salty seas margarita. Very good. Very good margarita. And then Lucia. Oh, you okay, baby? It's okay. Here. She got the cursed treasure, I think. It came with this little medallion piece in here. Very cool. How do you like it? You're eating the treasure? Oh my goodness. You like it? Good. Is he going back to hide? Alright, so this is what we got here for the island provisions. We got 2 things. I think that looks like seaweed, like Ariel. You like the chips? Do you want to try any of the sauces, Mama? One in the middle almost tastes like an artichoke dip. I don't know if that's what it is. Let's try this. This is like the consistency of barbecue sauces. Honestly, it almost tastes like a jelly. Try this one. You might like that one. It's like a jelly. Okay, this one looks like a mango something. I like that one. It's like curry mango. Yeah. And then this one. Let's try this one. Oh, I like this one. I think this one's my favorite. Alright, I'm gonna try the corn cake now. I apologize. I literally have my phone propped up against the wall on my purse, and it's my cell phone. I normally film on my camera, but the lighting is so low here, and I just can't get it. We're gonna try this one and see if it's okay. It might be too spicy for Lucia, but I think the little breads are okay for her. I think it's definitely too spicy for her, but it's good. Good. So you know what this tastes like? Like a spicy arepa. That's kind of like the consistency of what I'm getting from this.
Does anyone know how to get a curse out of town?
Uh-oh. She's like making me do this for her summer daytime parade. I wanted to see it. But whatever, it's her birthday. And they even gave us, they saw us and like put us right into the lightning lane position, which was amazing.
Yo, the time to play. been all